If your child has a fever, cough, or loss of appetite, try not to panic. These are common symptoms of illness in children and can usually be managed at home. Having a well-stocked medicine cabinet and first aid kit can help you care for your child at home and avoid waiting for hours to be seen at a busy hospital. Your local pharmacy can offer quick, expert advice and treatment too, for a range of minor health concerns. For more tips on how to keep your child healthy this winter, visit londonwinterwellness.nhs.uk.